Hello, this is Tosh Tyres. I've got a Ford Tornado here, just doing the brake pads on this, but I've had a request from someone on one of the videos doing brake pads. They just wanted to know how to push the pistons back without removing the calipers, basically. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, before you do anything, make sure you undo the cap for the brake fluid. That's the brake fluid right there, and that's the maximum and minimum. So make sure the brake fluid is just about there. And if it does, when you push the pistons back, and if the brake fluid is coming up, so you just inject some of it out. You don't want it spilling everywhere. Now to do it, I've already removed the wheel. Now this has the double piston, as you can see, one on the bottom, one on the top, and you've got the disc and everything. So put a screwdriver through the disc and the caliper, and then gently push the pistons back. As you can see, they're moving back nice and gently. Once you've done that, move the calipers back, and then put the screwdriver through the brake pads, the back brake pads and the disc, and then gently again push the pistons back. With this one, you've got to do it evenly to move both of the pistons back. Now I've done just a little bit, so just make sure the fluid is not coming up. So you can see right there, the fluid is still down. So I now push it more. Right, that's gone all the way through, as you can see right there. Both of the pistons have gone back. And just to check, see if the sliders are working properly. So what I do, I move the caliper back and forward just to make sure the sliders are good. So on this one, the sliders are good. Now with your car, whichever one you're doing, just make sure you do what I just told you to do. Remove the cap, push the pistons back gently, not too harsh, so just be really gentle with it. Now if they aren't going back, that means your caliper piston is seized, so you're going to need obviously a new caliper. And to diagnose that, all you do is to check, see if your disc has gone really red hot, so that would then tell you if your calipers are seized or not. Okay, that's what you got to do. Thank you very much. Goodbye.